Today is Thursday, March 21st, 2024. We're at the Sanford station here on the Amtrak's main line and also the Sunrail's main line between the Barry and Queen-Seattle. We're here to see Amtrak train 53, the auto train, which will be terminating just to the south of here at Sanford, Florida, their auto terminal. Looking to the north here, off on the horizon, see Interstate 4, which runs between Tampa and Daytona Beach, runs through the heart of Orlando. Also to the left over here and forward, you see the tracks of the Sanford CSX freight yard. And just prior, we saw an ES-44AH as the drill engine as it went to the south, servicing one of the local freight customers over here. Amtrak 53 running about 45 minutes late. You usually have a P40 DC on the point with about 15 superliners and about 15 to 20 auto racks. Amtrak's auto train used to arrive as early as 8 o'clock in the morning, then they changed the arrival time to 9, and now the new arrival time is at 10 o'clock. In this case, this train's being delayed about 45 minutes due to possible freight traffic on its journey down here. And again, this line here hosts Florida Sunrail, which runs between the Barry, which eventually will be extended to DeLand about 12 miles to the north to as far south as Queen-Seattle. Its former terminal was Sand Lake Road, and the line was extended about 10 to 15 miles south to its southernmost terminus of Queen-Seattle. Alright, now it's 10:38. PO 53 has just made the northern end of the Sanford passenger yard, and we'll be coming around the yard and into this bend just to the north of CP Sanford. They'll be arriving on track 2, in which the auto train terminal will be coming off of. And we also have a B32AWH switcher, formerly used in passenger service, awaiting 53. This train was originally as late as 49 minutes, and it looks like we'll be right at the schedule, 45 minutes behind schedule of 10 o'clock on its arrival here in the terminal. And here he comes. A Siemens Charger, it appears. Actually, this is a B30. This is a P40 diesel on 2 P40 diesels on the point here. We have 16 superliners on this consist. And we got a bunch of passengers on this train getting ready to get off. In this consist. We have a total of 46 cars. And again, this is Amtrak 5320, which departed Warrenton, Virginia yesterday afternoon, time 4:45. This train will be coming to a stop as the passenger cars will uncouple from the loaded auto carriers, and then the B32AWH will couple up to these cars to bring the loaded auto racks into the terminal. Alright, we're at the southern end here at Sanford Sunrail Station, and we're watching the B-32 coming into the auto train to move the loaded auto racks, as the passenger consists just uncoupled. Now, with the fact that you do have Sunrail running at a 2-hour schedule on off-peak times, there is very little interruption of Sunrail service, as this auto train is about to proceed this full length of 30 cars of auto carriers ready to proceed into the yard. And he's just about to charge up his brakes right now for the move.